While India is facing a tense, volatile situation at the China border, the Border Roads Organization, the BRO, is almost ready now with the third and most important road that will be connecting Manali to Leh in Ladakh, making a hassle-free speedy travel, at least for the armed forces. India Today's Manjeet Negi getting you this exclusive ground report from the Nimmu Padam Darsha road. Take a look.
While the military action is at LAC, India is speeding up the Nimmu Padam Darsha road section, a 300-kilometer long road axis which would help give the forces rapid access to Leh. This new all-weather road, which is 90% ready, will be open in 12 months for year-round operation.
Comparatively, this road, that is Nimmu Padam Darsha road, the tunnels which are required, one is already constructed, that is Atal Tunnel, and this further one more tunnel is going to come up at Shinkhula Pass, which will provide all-weather connectivity through this road to Kargil and Leh.
The terrain is difficult. Carving a road by cutting through Rocky Mountain has at times been described as mission impossible. But the Border Road Organization, often described as mountain tamers, has achieved this momentous task.
We are using the Sandvik company the latest model of the DC400 machine, which has a capacity to drill the 12 feet hole in a 1 minute and 360-degree mobility with a 30 to 40 feet height. The less of the labor are used and maximum output. This machine is giving us the output of 10 to 12 times more than the conventional method. Morale of the troops was very high. Looking at the situation in the Ladakh region, we are working day and night in the shifts and working the maximum to get the output of the road so that we can connect the road in a shorter span.
The army needs multiple corridors to access this remote mountainous front line in a military conflict, when rapid deployment of troops and supplies are paramount. Plans to build a third alternative route was needed soon after the 1999 Kargil war, when Pakistani artillery shelled the Srinagar-Leh National Highway 1.
Though this time we have got some laborers from the locals also, so the local resources is a problem, the temperature is a problem, the terrain is a problem. However, as you know, that Border Roads Organization always up to the challenge, and we are doing it. And in next 2 years, maybe this road you will see a national highway double lane.
Amid the ongoing tension between India and China in Ladakh region, the approaches to Leh via Jojila Pass in the west and Rohtang Pass in the east have so far been tremendous lifeline connecting the northmost part of the India. Both Spectral Road constructed and maintained by the BRO, and now the BRO is constructing third alternate road, Nimmu Padam Darsha. This road will play important role for the armed forces.
The location of the road, away from prying eyes of China and Pakistan, makes it special.
This road is actually shortest route for Leh from Manali, and it travels through low altitude area. So therefore, it can be kept open for 10 months during the whole year. And also this road is hidden from an enemy, so army can use this road very safely during the year.
The Nimmu Padam Darsha road is not only of strategic significance, but also promises to bring prosperity of the region.
This new road will open almost 10 to 11 months, and the road will not be traceable for the enemy like China and Pakistan. With camera person Himanshu Sharma, this is Manjeet Negi for India Today in Nimmu.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.